Earn monthly with a community, a guide to making $10,000 or more. Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Ever wondered how people are making a killing online while building thriving communities that not only support their businesses, but also drive massive profits? What if I told you that you could be making $10,000 or more every single month just by building and nurturing a community? Sounds impossible, right? Well, stick around because in this video, we're going to explore some of the most unique and rare business ideas that could help you do exactly that. The secret sauce to making $10,000 or more a month. The power of community is incredible. People are willing to pay for access, resources, entertainment, and expertise, and if you know how to harness that power, you can scale to profit levels that most only dream about. In this guide, we'll walk through rare business ideas that you can monetize through building a community. I'm talking about real, sustainable, profitable ventures that you've probably never heard of, all designed to help you earn a minimum of $10,000 a month. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. 1. Create a hyper-niche subscription box. People are crazy about subscription boxes. But what if you could take it a step further and create a hyper-niche subscription box around a community-driven idea? You don't need to go mainstream to see big profits. How it works. Imagine you've got a community that shares a very specific interest. Let's say, eco-friendly DIY enthusiasts or vintage board game collectors. You can source niche products related to this interest and ship them out monthly, creating a unique value that keeps people coming back. These boxes could contain anything from materials for a DIY project to collectible items or exclusive experiences. Profit potential. With monthly subscriptions costing between $30 and $100 and a loyal community of just 500 to 1,000 subscribers, you could easily make $10,000 or more per month. Get creative with limited edition or early access boxes and you can see those numbers climb fast. 2. Virtual mastermind communities for high-end entrepreneurs. Masterminds are not just for the high rollers anymore, they're for anyone who's serious about accelerating their business. And no, you don't need to be a millionaire to run one. How it works. Create a paid virtual mastermind group where you guide fellow entrepreneurs through strategic business growth. Focus on high-value areas like digital marketing, scaling operations, or even mindset development. Your role is to provide access to exclusive knowledge, guest speakers, group brainstorming, and ongoing support. Profit potential. Charge $500 to $2,000 per month for access, and with just 10 to 50 members, you're looking at an easy $10,000 per month. Bonus points if you offer VIP packages with one-on-one coaching or exclusive events where the sky's the limit on earnings. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. Build a pay-to-join gaming community. Potential profit, $5,000 to $30,000 per month. If you're into gaming and communities, this one is for you. But here's the kicker, it's not just about playing games, it's about creating a profitable, exclusive space where gamers can connect, compete, and improve their skills. How it works. Create a VIP, members-only gaming community where users pay to join. Offer things like high-level gaming strategies, exclusive tournaments, access to unique in-game content, and personal coaching from pro gamers. Add value by hosting events, private leagues, and offering early access to game updates or skins. Profit potential. With a membership fee of $15 to $50 per month and a community size of 200 to 1,000, you're looking at significant earnings. Plus, there are endless opportunities for upselling things like merchandise or in-game purchases. Host an online VIP learning platform for hobbyists. Potential profit, $10,000 to $25,000 per month. Think about the hobbies people are obsessed with. Everything from photography, painting, gardening to knitting. Now what if you could build a community where hobbyists pay for exclusive learning content, one-on-one coaching, and access to a network of like-minded people? How it works. Create a platform where hobbyists pay to access exclusive content, participate in live workshops, and get feedback from experts. For instance, if you're passionate about gardening, you could create a paid community where members get monthly courses on plant care, garden design, and access to seasonal tips. Profit potential. With an average membership fee of $30 to $100 per month and just 300 to 500 members, you're looking at $10,000 or more. Once you've established authority and have a loyal community, the opportunities to scale are limitless. Community-powered crowdsourcing for small business ideas. Potential profit $5,000 to $20,000 per month. Here's an idea that's so new and innovative, it could set you apart from everyone else in the make-money online space. Imagine running a platform where people pay to get their business ideas crowdsourced and refined by a passionate community of like-minded entrepreneurs. How it works. People pay a monthly subscription to submit their business ideas to your platform, where other entrepreneurs brainstorm, vote, and offer advice. Think of it like a mix between a mastermind and a business incubator. As the community grows, you can add higher-value services like one-on-one business coaching or access to premium market research reports. Profit potential. Charge anywhere from $50 to $300 a month for membership. Even with a modest group of 100 to 200 members, you're already making $10,000 or more per month. Plus, as the community grows, you can attract sponsors or partnerships with larger companies, increasing your potential profits. Exclusive online fitness and wellness group. Potential profit $10,000 to $40,000 per month. Fitness and wellness are huge markets, and people are hungry for exclusive, results-driven communities where they can get personalized advice, live support, and encouragement. How it works. Create a paid community around fitness or wellness, where members get access to exclusive workouts, nutrition plans, and virtual group coaching. Add live Quanda sessions, one-on-one consultations, and exclusive access to special deals with health-related products. Build a brand that focuses on results, community, and empowerment. Profit potential. If you charge a membership fee of $30 to $100 per month, and you're able to build a community of 300 to 1,000 dedicated members, you're looking at making $10,000 to $40,000 a month. Offer higher-level tiers for personalized training or access to VIP retreats to increase that number. Exclusive art and design collaborations. Potential profit, $5,000 to $25,000 per month. For creatives and artists, the idea of collaboration is golden. You can harness the power of a collaborative community to make serious profits. How it works. Build a paid community for digital artists, designers, or creators, where they can collaborate, share tips, and work on joint projects. You can host design challenges, provide exclusive tools or resources, and even facilitate group projects that get featured on popular platforms. Profit potential. Charge anywhere from $25 to $100 per month for membership. Even with a small community of 200 to 500 active members, you could easily make $10,000 or more. Additionally, selling exclusive artwork or prints and offering premium design services could add extra revenue streams. The power of building a community. As you can see, the key to these business ideas isn't just about selling a product or service, it's about creating a space for people to come together, share their passions, and pay for exclusive access to something they can't get anywhere else. Building a community around a niche market not only drives recurring revenue but also builds loyalty and trust, which is vital for long-term success. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.